We need to talk. What if I told you you no longer need to feel locked in? Would you choose to stay in the repair and replace lifecycle? Would you ignore the freedom that we're offering you? Or will you embrace the change and reap the benefits? What benefits, you may ask? Well, firstly, you'll be able to use any devices you like in your AV environment, regardless of the manufacturer or even age of the device. And you can have the same user experience across all of your devices. Let me open your eyes. You're looking at a unified user experience across multiple touch panel types. Nextron TLP Pro, Crestron TS1070, Mimo MCT70, Crestron TSW760. The latest Cisco Room Kit, a Samsung tablet, an AMX Varia 100, and even a 10-year-old AMX MT702. You can even have a page flip to switch to an embedded Microsoft Teams Rooms or Zoom Rooms interface. Bring your own device? Yes, you can do that too. You can also open a web panel, X panel, or VNC, with the exact same user experience. Are you starting to believe? I should also mention that you no longer need a controller in the room too. Oh, and you can say goodbye to programming fees too. Now think of the implications of this. The cost savings alone are monumental. So if you choose to free yourself from the old ways, not only will you be massively reducing expenditure on AV devices and programming, you'll also be providing a consistent, frictionless AV user experience across your organization. I've shown you the door. Now you just have to walk through it. And that's why